Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel The Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make kulfi flavored ice cream using Kitchenif ice cream maker, and there is a giveaway. It's very easy to participate in the contest. All you need to do is let me know in the comment section what flavors of ice cream you would like to make if you win this ice cream machine. Subscribe and follow The Terrace Kitchen YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. Subscribe Kitchenif YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. You would find all these links in video's description box and first comment. The last day to participate in the contest is this. Now let's get started. To make this Rajwadi Kulfi flavored ice cream, we need to reduce some milk. So first we'll make amazing rabdi. So here I've got 1 liter milk. I'm keeping the flame between low to medium and stirring the milk continuously. What we need is this milk should be reduced to 1/3 of its original quantity. So you can keep the flame between medium to high, lower the flame if needed, keep cooking, then add some saffron. So I'm adding a few strands here. Still some more time to go. You can see the milk has thickened. Now I'm adding 1/4 cup cashew nut powder. So I measured 1/4 cup cashew nuts and then made a powder using my mixer grinder jar. This would add a nice silky smoothness and amazing taste. Next step is to add 1/4 teaspoon green cardamom, that is choti Ilaichi ka powder. Give it a mix. The milk has thickened, reduced to 1/3, and because of the cashew nut powder it has become more creamy. Next step is to add sugar. Then add half cup sugar. You may find half cup sugar a lot for this amount of rabdi. Yes, it is, because we are going to add cream later. Mix it well until the sugar is melted and dissolved in the rabdi, and let this mixture completely cool down. The rabdi has cooled down and look at it, it's so creamy, rich and delicious. Next I'm adding 250 ml Almonds fresh cream. If you have Almonds whipping cream, you can add that. I'm not adding non-dairy cream here. I'm adding dairy cream here which has no sugar. That is the reason I added half cup sugar. If you're going to use dairy whipping cream in this recipe, then you need to reduce the quantity of sugar from half cup to 1/4 cup. Keep this mixture in your fridge for 2 hours, or if you're in a hurry, in your freezer for 30 minutes. Let's take a look at the Kitchenif ice cream machine now. The participation rule in the contest to win this ice cream machine are given in the intro part of this video. 2 lucky winners would win this ice cream machine. So this is the ice cream machine lid, and it comes off by pressing the buttons on the side, and this is the paddle. It's very easy to take it off. You just need to pull it. This machine has got this stand, a circle stand, so it helps to hold and keep the bowl inside. Take it out. I will show you its bowl later. So this is one opening on one side of this machine from where you need to pour the ice cream mixture, which we have already kept in the refrigerator. And here on the machine there is a small display and one button to set timer and one button to start and stop. The machine should not run more than 30 minutes in one go. And this is the heart of the machine, the main machine. So there is a coupler, there's this plastic thing which acts as a coupler between the machine and the paddle. You just need to pull to take it out. This part of the machine is not water resistant, so you should not clean it with water and soap. By taking it out, you can clean the remaining machine, that is rest of the machine, with soap, water. And once done, once it's dry, you can place the machine back. So it comes with a plug like this. This is the bowl of this machine. It looks frosty because I had kept it in my freezer overnight. You need to keep it in your freezer till the liquid inside it sets. So there is a liquid inside the walls of this bowl. So you can shake the bowl and check. If there is no sound, that means it's set well, it's frozen well. Okay, so the machine is ready, and next I'm going to do is set it to 30 minutes and then click on start. The machine should be running while you pour the mixture inside. Too much sugar or too less sugar would also ruin your ice cream recipe, so make sure you follow the recipe really well. If you purchase this ice cream machine, or if you win this ice cream machine as a part of the giveaway contest, then make sure you follow all the guidelines given in its manual really well. Since the ice cream mixture is really thick, it would not take entire 30 minutes to get into soft serve stage. After 5 minutes, I'm adding some dry fruits, so I'm adding chopped almonds and pistachios. If your machine starts shaking or the paddle is not able to move, that means your ice cream is done. Immediately stop it. So this ice cream took around 15 to 17 minutes because the mixture was already very thick. Look at the creamy ice cream. So this is like soft serve stage. You can pipe it in a cone. It's so creamy and so delicious. Already the rubbery mixture was very rich and delicious. I'm using a silicone spatula to take the ice cream out gently. You can use a steel spoon, but make sure you do not scratch the sides of the bowl. You can have this ice cream right away in the soft serve stage. You can enjoy it with your family as a get together. I mean within your family at your home, because it's very important now to stay safe at home. Or you can put it in an airtight container and freeze. I'm now going to keep this in my freezer till it sets. I'll also put some dry fruits on top. The ice cream bowl would still be cold even after you take out the ice cream. It would take some time to come to room temperature, so make sure you let it come to room temperature and then wash it with a soft sponge. Do not use harsh scrubbers. It's already summer season, so I forgot to shoot the part where I added some dry fruits on top. I was so much in a hurry to put this immediately in my freezer. This ice cream turns out really nice, creamy and delicious, and you get that crunch of dry fruits, almonds, pistachios, and that's absolutely amazing. And the creaminess, richness of the cashew nut which we had added in powdered form. What you can do, you can let this ice cream sit outside your refrigerator for 5 minutes before scooping and it would be more soft. I'm finally garnishing it with some chopped almonds and pistachios. Don't forget to participate in the giveaway contest. Give this recipe a try, stay at home, stay safe, have cold desserts in controlled portions, smaller portions, and enjoy!